Cyberse- Cybersecurity certifications are valuable tools for advancing your career, but it's important to understand what they are, and just as importantly, what they are not. There are some common misconceptions about what certifications can do for you, and today we are going to clear up those up. One of the biggest misconceptions about cybersecurity certifications is that they can replace hands-on experience. While certifications are a great way to demonstrate your knowledge, they don't necessarily prove that you can apply that knowledge in real world situations. Employers often look for candidates who can show they have tackled real challenges, solved actual security problems, and navigate the complexities of live environments. Experience brings with it ability to think critically, make decisions under pressure, and adapt to unexpected situations. Skills that are developed over time and through practice, not just through studying for an exam. For instance, passing in a certification like Certified Ethical Hacker shows up that you are understanding penetration testing techniques, but being able to execute a successful penetration test in a corporate environment, manage client expectations, and document findings effectively requires experience. The same goes for certifications like CISSP. It demonstrates broad knowledge across multiple domains, but leading a security team and developing a cybersecurity architecture involves much more than what's covered in the certification curriculum. Another important point to consider is that certifications alone does not guarantee a job. While they can certainly enhance your resume and make you more attractive to employers, they are just one part of hiring equation. Employers look for a combination of factors: relevant experience, a track record of success, strong communication skills, and the ability to fit into company's culture. Certifications can open doors, but you still need to prove that you are the right fit for the job. The job market is competitive, and certifications can help you to stand out, but they won't automatically land you a position. It's crucial to complement your certifications with other efforts, such as networking, building a portfolio, gaining practical experience, and preparing throughout your interviews. Employers often using certifications as a baseline to filter candidates, but they will dig deeper into your actual skills, how you apply them, and whether you are a good match for the specific needs. Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field with new threats, tools, and technologies emerging all the time. This means that certifications are not something you earn once and forget about. Most cybersecurity certifications have expiration dates and require you to maintain them through continuing education or recertification exams. For example, the CISSP certification requires holders to earn continuing professional education, also known as CPE, credits every year to stay certified. This ensures that professionals remain current with the latest developments in the field. If you rest on your laurels after earning certification, you risk failing behind as the industry changes. Staying up to date with your certifications demonstrates to employers and peers that you are committed to your professional growth and to staying on top of industry trends. It's a reminder that learning in cybersecurity is ongoing. There's always something new to master. Certifications are not a shortcut to expertise. Achieving a certification is a significant accomplishment, but it doesn't make you an instant expert. Expertise in cybersecurity is built over the time through the combination of education, experience, and continuous learning. A certification indicates that you have a strong grasp of specific concepts and practice, but becoming an expert requires you to apply that knowledge in varied and complex situations. For example, someone with a CISSP certification is recognized as having a comprehensive knowledge across several domains. But to be seen as an expert in cybersecurity architecture or incident response, you would need to have a deep and practical understanding of those areas, developed through years of experience and ongoing education. Expertise is about more than just passing an exam. It's about the depth of understanding and ability to navigate challenges that don't always have clear cut answers. In cybersecurity, technical skills are essential, but so are soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Certifications do a great job of validating your technical abilities, but they don't measure how well you work with your others, how effectively you can explain complex concepts to a non-technical stakeholders, or how you manage stress in high pressure situations. For instance, in a role like a security operations center analyst, you might have to quickly communicate the severity of your security incident executives or collaborate with different teams to mitigate a threat. Your certifications might get you in the door, but your soft skills will often determine your success and effectiveness in this role. Employers highly valuable professionals who can bridge the gap between technical expertise and effective communication, especially in cybersecurity, where the stakes are often high. Finally, it's important to recognize that not all certifications are worth the investment for every professional. Some certifications are expensive, both in terms of cost of the exam and the time required to prepare. Before pursuing a certification, it is essential to assess whether it aligns with your career goals and if it's recognized and valuable for your employers in your target industry or role. For example, if you are working in a specialized area like cloud security, a certification like Certified Cloud Security Professional might be highly beneficial. But if your role does not involve cloud security, that certification might not add as much value to your resume. It's important to do your research and choose certifications that will give you the best return of your investment, both in terms of career, advancement, and job opportunities. In summary, cyber certifications are powerful tools that can enhance your career, but they are not silver bullets. They complement your experience, skills, and ongoing education, but they don't replace the need for real world practice, continuous learning, and the development of soft skills. By understanding that certifications can and cannot do, you can make informed decisions about your professional development and use certifications as their fullest potentials.